Hi, welcome to another tutorial Zeebe Simple Monitor Part 3. And this time I'm trying to find out what is going on with Zeebe not displaying any of my workflows and instances. Okay, so I think I have a guess why it's not working. So there is an issue here. So what should happen is just we have this nice UI where you can see workflows and instances, and actually can even create a new instance and so on. But in reality, I have this. It's empty, no workflows, no instances, and it seems that it's because of this issue. And the explanation by Josh Wolf is that it's actually Simple Workflow Monitor has a representation and it maintains its own representation of the progress state, and then so it's not a real representation in Zeebe. So in order to test this, let me then do a deploy of a workflow from Zeebe Simple Monitor itself. And this time it should work. No, it's still not working. Okay, so even if I can deploy new workflow and it seems that it says it's successful. Success new deployment created. There's still no workflow. Okay, so I'm still confused why this is the case. Maybe this is a bug in Zeebe Simple Monitor, or maybe it's a bug in the Zeebe Hazelcast Explorer, or maybe it's a bug on my part. I'm not sure yet, so I will finish this honest tutorial part 3 now, and I hope I will get an answer as soon as possible on why this is happening.